Okay, you have to talk.
We're going to be opening up the 5 pack to this play set.
What's the name of it?
I don't know what it is, but the name
Sky Jump.
this is the play set. It's called Sky Jump. So, I'm gonna scan the box so you can do whatever you want. So you can please kind of what you don't want to know.
Who got you that 5-pack?
Soft gum this 5 pack. And for now, I'm going to be opening it up.
Great. Do it.
Do a picture. Sir, can you carve a picture?
You want to show it? You want it to hold it so I can see the pictures of all, see all the cows before? Oh my goodness.
That's a good 5-pack. Good choice, Juju.
That's the Sky Jump.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's getting opened.
You need help?
Is it called Sky Jump?
Yep, you just said so.
Can you please keep correcting me if I forget what the playset is called?
Sure.
You didn't help, Boozle. Make a forever. Forever. Put the cover.
Let's see if we can cut it into this. Just give it a cut here, Juju. There we go. Now you're doing it. Good for you. All right. Let's see the cars.
One by one. Kind of a secret.
Okay, what do you got there? Gonna tell us the names or describe them for us, Joshua?
What's the name of this one?
All right, I'll tell you. That one is called GP 2009. Tell us about GP 2009.
What color? What shape?
It's dark blue.
Mm-hmm.
And it's got a red hood, and it's convertible.
Mm-hmm.
And it's got these things.
Okay, next one.
Pretty cool.
Car number
And
2.
it's got one of these. And
When it
it's
gets
got-
home, we'll test it out, see if it goes with wall tracks.
And it's in this. And these are the tires. It's not. It's Sky Jump. Sky Jump is not wall tracks.
Okay.
Now, what is the name to the green one? What's the name to the green one?
Grit Speed.
What?
This one is Grit Speed.
What's this one?
Power Piston.
What's this one?
Mitsubishi Double Shots.
What's the purple?
Battle Spec. I think Eli likes Battle Spec.
What?
I think Eli seems most excited about Battle Spec.
He's talking about
Talking
it.
about it. Show him Battle Spec, maybe.
Careful, Joshua, careful. לא יעוף עליו עם הכיסא, הכיסא זה לא
This
טוב.
one, the purple.
Nice showing your brother. Okay.
Okay, we done?
No,
Okay,
not done.
well, because the video cannot be so long, so let's show and
This
say.
one's power pistons.
Mm-hmm. And finally,
This one's
Mitsubishi Double Shots.
double sauce. This one Mitsubishi double sauce. It's got an on this. Yeah, it's in on 12.
Yeah.
Bounce onto power pistons. Power pistons has orange windows. I only care for the clear ones. And also the battle spec. Battle spec has
What's special about Battle Specs?
just
What color?
power pistons.
What color is a Battle Specs?
Power to one purple.
Okay.
Battle spec is purple.
Uh-huh.
It's got no blue. Same thing as the first one. A spoiler here. It has these that the other one doesn't have.
Mm-hmm.
And it has these that the one also doesn't have.
Uh-huh.
It's got a yellow bomb. The one has a black bomb. The
Uh-huh.
one has a black bomb.
Mm-hmm.
The white one has a silver bomb. The green one has a silver bomb.
Okay, we're ready to close? Because the video will not take much longer. Okay?
It
You're,
will take longer.
no, I'm running out of space. So say goodbye.
Are you running out?
Because I don't have a lot of space on the video. Are you ready to close? Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Good.